I'm going to bring a screen up, and we're going to do some experiments on the screen. And on the screen, we're going to use a laser. So I'm going to turn this one on right here, make a nice green dot on the screen, okay? And now what we're going to do is this. I'm going to take the laser shining on the screen, and I'm going to put some things in front of it. Like, for instance, I have this piece of fabric right here, okay? Now, if I take this and put this in front of the screen.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
You see a starburst pattern?
Yeah.
Now, tell me, if you look at each one of the rays that goes out in that starburst, do you see light spots and dark spots?
Yes.
Yes.
It's because the laser goes around a tiny thread, and when it goes around one side, it also goes around the other side. And so two waves hit, and where they hit and make a dark spot, what's happening is I'm having a destructive interference. The waves are out of phase when they get there, so they cancel each other. So I get bright spots, and I get dark spots. And we're getting that kind of pattern because light is a wave.
A wave.
And I get places where the light hits and the waves are out of phase with each other. They're going opposite each other, and it cancels. And so I get a dark spot. In places where the waves add up, I get a bright spot. Now we can use this to do something really, really special here. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I want you to take a pair of those glasses for each of us. Finley, go ahead and hand us each a pair of those glasses. These glasses. Excellent, excellent. And I want you to take those and look at the dot on the screen and tell me what you see.
I see a ton of dots.
You see a ton
There's
of dots.
Like tons repeated, even not on
Oh,
the screen.
yeah.
It's like off in the air.
Dots everywhere. Now, if I take one of these glasses, and you can go ahead and take those glasses off for a second. If I put them right here, you can see what happens. I get a whole bunch of dots. And this is a pattern just like the pattern from the fabric, where I get light spots and I get dark spots.
Yep.
Except with the fabric, they had the threads were close together. But in here, there's some dark lines, and you can't even see them. They're so close together, you can't even see them. But they make constructive and destructive interference. We say I get light spots and I get dark spots.